Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today I am sharing beautiful and easy Christmas bottle craft ideas that you can make at home easily. These DIY decorations are simple, affordable and perfect for adding a warm Christmas feeling to your home. So grab your craft supplies, relax and let's get started. Today's project is uses old glass bottles, jute rope, ribbons, artificial flowers, pine cones, berries, or a few Christmas decorations. Instead of throwing away old bottles, we can turn into beautiful Christmas home decor. First, clean the bottle well and remove all labels. Make sure it is completely dry before decorating. This helps the glue stick properly and give a clean finishing. Now being wrapping jute rope around the bottle, apply hot glue little by little while wrapping the rope. Take your time and keep every layer close together. This creates neat and professional look. Once the bottle is covered, it's time to decorate it. Add a ribbon around the neck of the bottle. You can choose red, green, white or gold ribbons to match the Christmas theme. Next, attach small pine cones, artificial berries, mini Christmas ornaments, or teeny bells. These little details make the bottle look festive and elegant. You can also add artificial flowers, Christmas leaves, or small branches of natural winter look. Mix different decorations to create your own unique design. If you like a cozy farmhouse style, keep the color simple with glue with flowers and wooden decoration. If you prefer a traditional Christmas look, use bright red ribbon, green leaves, and shiny ornaments. Another beautiful idea is to place fairy lights inside the bottle. Warm LED lights make the decoration glow beautifully during the evening of Christmas, create a magic Christmas atmosphere. These decorated bottles look amazing on your dining table, fireplace, coffee table, entrance, or Christmas shelf. They also make thoughtful handmade gift for family and friends. The best thing about DIY craft is that everyone can make them. You don't need expensive supplies. Most materials are easy to find and you can even recycle things you already have to home. Crafting is also relaxing activity that lets you spend quality time with your family during the Christmas season. Kids and adults can enjoy creating beautiful decoration together. I hope today's video inspires you to create your own Christmas bottle decoration. Feel free to change the colors, ribbons and decorating to match your personal style. Now would you love to hear from you which bottle design you was favorite? Tell me in the comment below. I read every comment and in my upcoming video I may give a special shout out to someone who wonderful viewers. You can create ideas, always inspire me. So don't forget to share your own Christmas suggestion craft too. If you enjoyed today's video and found these helpful ideas, please support my channel by giving it this a big thumbs up, sharing it with your friends and family, and subscribing if you have not already. Every like, every comment and subscription helps my channel grow and allow me to bring you even more beautiful DIY Christmas craft ideas. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I truly appreciate your love and support. Stay safe, stay creative, and keep spreading Christmas joy through handmade crafts. See you in the next video. Take care. See you in the next video with another amazing DIY Christmas craft decorations idea. And I hope you like another wonderful idea is played. You can also fill clear bottles with fake snow, teeny Christmas balls, cinnamon sticks, or miniature pine branches. These are small details make every bottle look unique. And please subscribe, like, share. I hope you like. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Your support means everything to me. Every like, every comment, and subscription motivates me to create more beautiful DIY Christmas for you. I truly appreciate each and every one of you being the part of this creative family. Seeing your lovely comments always make my day. I wait all your comments and your ideas inspire me to my next project. Your love and encouragement help this channel grow and every single day. Thank you for spending your valuable time with me. I'm so happy to such kind and creative viewers from around the world. Together, let's make this channel a place full of creativity and inspirations. Which Christmas bottle was your favorite today and why? See you in the next video. Stay creative, stay blessed, and stay happy, stay creative. Bye.